Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Nissan Altima, a midsize sedan that's truly making waves in the automotive world. From its striking design to impressive tech features and powerful engine options, the 2025 Altima is set to become the top choice for those seeking a combination of style, performance, and comfort. Let's explore everything this car has to offer. Exterior design. Sporty V-Motion grille. The 2025 Altima retains the iconic Nissan V-Motion grille, now with sharper, more angular lines, giving it a sportier, more aggressive look. Sleek LED headlights. Its sleek, signature LED headlights offer not only an upscale appearance but also enhance nighttime visibility. Aerodynamic sculpting. The Altima's sculpted bodywork improves aerodynamics, making it more efficient while maintaining a smooth, modern design. Color options. It's available in a wide range of colors, including a new deep, metallic hue, making it stand out in any crowd. Pro tip: highlight the sleekness in how the car is designed to look sporty while still maintaining a classy appeal. Show the car from various angles to emphasize its modern stance. Interior and technology. Spacious cabin. The 2025 Altima offers a roomy and quiet cabin, ideal for both short commutes and long drives. With high-quality materials and plush seating, comfort is guaranteed. 12.3-inch infotainment screen. The centerpiece of the interior is the 12.3-inch touchscreen that features Nissan Connect. It's intuitive, easy to use, and compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Driver assistance features. With ProPilot Assist, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist, the Altima ensures a safe and enjoyable drive. Premium sound system. For audiophiles, the available Bose sound system transforms the driving experience with crystal clear sound. B-roll idea. Capture the infotainment system in action, close-ups of the premium interior features, and a panoramic view of the spacious cabin. Engine options. 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. The standard engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder that delivers 188 horsepower, offering a perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency for everyday driving. VC Turbo 2.0-liter. For those seeking more thrill, the turbocharged 2.0L engine delivers 248 horsepower, providing an exciting ride with seamless acceleration. All-wheel drive. For those living in areas with harsh weather, the all-wheel drive option adds extra grip and confidence on the road. Fuel efficiency. The Altima offers great fuel economy, up to 39 mpg on highways for the base model. B-roll idea. Include footage of the car driving on both smooth highways and more challenging terrain to showcase the performance and handling capabilities of the engine options. Responsive steering. The steering feels responsive yet relaxed, perfect for both city driving and highway cruising. Power on demand. Thanks to the turbocharged engine option, the Altima isn't just about efficiency, it delivers plenty of power when you need it, making it fun to drive. 360-degree camera. With the available around view monitor, parking and navigating tight spaces becomes a breeze. B-roll idea. Highlight these safety features in action. Show how the car automatically adjusts speed in traffic and demonstrate the effectiveness of the 360-degree camera system. Pricing. Starting around $26,000 for the base S model, and going up to $36,000 for the Platinum trim, the Altima offers a variety of options for every budget. Pro tip: compare the trims side by side, pointing out the differences in features, tech, and pricing. You can even create a buying guide for your audience to help them choose the best trim for their needs. The 2025 Nissan Altima is the perfect blend of style, technology, performance, and safety. Whether you're looking for a reliable commuter car or a vehicle with enough power for weekend adventures, the Altima fits the bill. With its modern design, advanced features, and range of engine options, it's ready to impress at every turn. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Nissan Altima your next car? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Best YouTube article on the 2025 Nissan Altima.